Hi guys, welcome back to Mechanical Special. In this video, we are going to talk about the symptoms of a bad engine mount and why it's important to address them before they cause further damage to your vehicle. Let's quickly discuss the function of the engine mount. Engine mounts securely hold the engine in place within the vehicle's engine bay. These mounts support the weight of the engine and ensure it remains properly positioned, even under dynamic conditions such as acceleration, braking, and cornering. Engine mounts are attached to the engine block itself, usually at multiple points along the sides or bottom. Some cars only have 2 mounts, one on each side of the engine, while some models have 3 or 4 mounts. Now let's discuss the symptoms of a bad engine mount. 1. Excessive engine movement. One of the primary signs of a failing engine mount is excessive engine movement. If you notice the engine shifting or rocking excessively during acceleration, deceleration, or when shifting gears, it could indicate a problem with the engine mount. 2. Vibration. Engine mounts are designed to dampen engine vibrations and noise. When these mounts degrade or fail, they lose their ability to absorb vibrations effectively. As a result, the vibrations generated by the engine are transmitted more directly to the vehicle's chassis and interior. These vibrations may be felt through the steering wheel, floorboard, or even the seats. 3. Clunking or thumping noises. As the engine mounts weaken, they may no longer hold the engine securely in place. This can allow the engine to shift or move slightly during acceleration or gear changes, causing metal-to-metal contact or impacting other components in the engine bay. The resulting clunking or thumping noises are often the result of this movement and contact. 4. Engine misalignment. Engine mounts play a critical role in maintaining the proper alignment of the engine within the vehicle's engine bay. When a mount fails, it can allow the engine to become misaligned, potentially causing issues such as improper belt tension, misalignment of pulleys, or interference with other components.